It's Jersey Jaguar, and we all know about the Nike NBA Swingman jerseys and the Nike NBA Authentic jerseys. But how many of us realize that there are a Fanatics lower tier Fastbreak jersey? I'm the Jersey Jaguar, and today I'm going to be going over the full details of this Fanatics Fastbreak jersey. We got a lot to cover. Let's get right to it. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the basics of this jersey. How many people realize that Fanatics has their own branded jersey? It's called the Fastbreak jersey. It's the lowest tier of current basketball jerseys, and it retails for $80. With that cheap price, though, you are getting cheaper construction, cheaper details, and a different fit. With all that said, let's hop into it now. So being that this is the cheapest jersey available, you actually are going to be getting the farthest from what the players wear. This is on the lowest end of the totem pole. Obviously, the Swingman will be in the middle, and then the Authentic is going to be pretty much what the players wear, minus some sizing alterations. All right, so the material is going to be 100% polyester, and it is Fanatics Fantex material. Now, this jersey is thinner, and it does have a ribbed effect to it. The ribbing is not that thick, but it is there. You can definitely feel texture in it, horizontal texture, I should say. Looking at the trim material, so guys, when I say trim in my videos, I'm referring to the area on the neck and by the sleeves. Obviously, this one doesn't have sleeves, so we'll say by the arms. Here we have a much thinner than usual trim, not only by width, but also by diameter. You're gonna hear me saying that in another video coming up. And this is really, really smooth. It doesn't have the same ribbing that the rest of the body does. So guys, you can see the quality difference already compared to the other two jerseys. So let's go over the team-specific details now. Now, guys, team-specific details are going to be in the striping, team personal logos, etc., the colors. So these Fanatics jerseys are definitely going to be off, and they do that on purpose. It kind of makes you want to buy the better ones available just for that. For example, on this Raptors jersey, typically it is two different pieces sewn together. On here, it's just one. It is just heat-pressed vinyl onto the jersey. There's nothing cloth. There's nothing tackle twill. There's no actual fabric on there. It is just heat-pressed rubber-like vinyl directly onto the jersey. All right, guys. Now, on the trim, this one you can't really differentiate because it is solid white. But on the teams that do have stripes, the stripes are very thin. In addition, the logos are still accurate, but they are a hair off, especially compared to the Authentics. So again, to sum that up, you are getting details that are much different than the Authentic and still different even than the Swingman. So now in terms of the customization, when I say customization, I mean the letters and numbers on the jersey. Looking at the front of the jersey, again, everything is heat pressed on. Not only the team details, but again, the customization. And when we turn the jersey around, everything again is going to be heat pressed onto the jersey. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about the general construction of the jersey. Now, guys, this one's going to have a much more V'd neck to it compared to the Swingman and the Authentic. So some teams do use a different shaped collar, like the Miami Heat. They have what's known as a wishbone collar. This isn't the case on this Fanatics Fastbreak jersey. It is angled off at the bottom, and it looks like that across the board for all teams. All right, guys, in addition, we don't see any extra hemlines here or any cuts. On the Authentics, you're going to have those little cuts at the bottom. We don't have that here. As well as on the back, we don't have those hard Authentic cuts, and we don't even have the hard hemlines that we see on the Swingmans. So this is just a basic bare bones jersey, not only in terms of materials, but in terms of construction as well. All right, so let's get into the tagging now. Starting at the top of the jersey, we're going to have a strip of material with the Fanatics watermark on there, as well as the size, etc. This kind of looks like a hockey jersey style. Now, on the other basketball jerseys, right here, it is sublimated into the jersey. All right, guys. Also at the top here, we have no Fanatics logo. Obviously, no Nike logo, being that it is not Nike, but we don't even have the Fanatics logo on the front of the jersey. Again, cutting costs. Turning the jersey around at the top, the NBA logo is going to be heat pressed on. Guys, going down at the bottom, these jog tags look completely different than the Swingman and the Authentic. The Swingman and the Authentic tags are really close. The only difference is one says Swingman, one says Authentic. But being that this isn't Nike, it is a completely different jog tag. Also, too, finishing off with the price tags look different as well. All right, so it's time to go over the fit and measurements of this jersey. Again, it is the Fastbreak replica jersey. It is a men's size large. Now, going over the measurements, pit to pit, meaning across the chest, we're going to have 23 inches. And top to bottom, meaning how long the jersey is, we're going to have 29 inches. So based on those measurements and the fit, it does fit a little bit boxier than the Swingman, and definitely boxier than the Authentic. All right, so you're about to see how this jersey looks on me. As for myself, I'm a little over 6'2" and 185 pounds. I'm about to do a 360 so you get a whole view of the jersey. right, so what's my final word on the jersey? Final word is it's an $80 jersey retail. And again, I have seen these go on clearance for between $10 and $20. You pick one up, who cares what happens to it? Who cares if you even wear it more than once? So guys, you are getting a cheaper price jersey, but you are getting cheaper materials, cheaper construction, and a slightly boxier fit. And if you're like me, a boxier fit isn't exactly your friend, but it's not by that much. It is definitely comparable, especially to the swingman sizing of the jersey. This jersey will be awesome to wear to the gym, especially on a hot summer day if you're gonna be sweating on it. Guys, if you wear it to the game, you're not gonna have to worry if somebody spills something on you or if you rub against something. At the end of the day, you could wash it, you could get rid of it as a worst case scenario and not have to stress out about it. All right, so with all that said, I'm gonna give this jersey a 6.5. For the value, it actually isn't that bad at all. And again, it is very versatile. So the obvious thing is cheaper price, cheaper materials. I can live with that. But the thing of it is some of the team details are still off compared to the other jerseys. And some of those team specific details should still be accurate, even given what the cost. So with that said, I think 6.5 is a fair score. Again, guys, if you get them for especially that 10 to 20, even $25 range, pick one up, wear it a few times and enjoy it. All right, there we go. All right, there we go. Hopefully you found this video and breakdown of use. Guys, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If there's another video you'd like to see me do in the future, let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to get it done. In the meantime, I'll see you at the next one. All right, so what's my final word on the jersey? Final word is it's an $80 jersey retail. And again, I have seen these go on clearance for between $10 and $20. You pick one up, who cares what happens to it? Who cares if you even wear it more than once? So guys, you are getting a cheaper price jersey, but you are getting cheaper materials, cheaper construction, and a slightly boxier fit. And if you're like me, a boxier fit isn't exactly your friend, but it's not by that much. It is definitely comparable, especially to the swingman sizing of the jersey. This jersey will be awesome to wear to the gym, especially on a hot summer day if you're gonna be sweating on it. Guys, if you wear it to the game, you're not gonna have to worry if somebody spills something on you or if you rub against something. At the end of the day, you could wash it, you could get rid of it as a worst case scenario and not have to stress out about it.